Today I'm going to tell you about a free keyword research tool that not many people talk about, and that is way better than any paid keyword research tool. But before we get into that, let us first see what keywords actually are. In simple words, keywords are words that make your content searchable. Keywords are words in your video's title, description, or in the video itself that tells the YouTube algorithm what this video is about. And why do you need keywords? Well, like I told you, keywords make your content more searchable. They help tell the YouTube algorithm what your video is about. And if YouTube algorithm knows what your video is about, it will recommend it to people who are looking for that kind of content, who are interested in that kind of content. And if this video shows up in front of someone who is actually looking for that content, the video will have a good click-through rate, which will promote your video further. That is, the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. What this does is it makes your video rank in search. And if your video ranks in search, you have hit the jackpot. Your video has now become evergreen and it will continue to generate views for years to come. So undoubtedly, keyword research is one of the most important SEO strategy that is used by digital marketers and social media managers all over the world. So now that you know what keywords are and how important they are for the overall growth of your channel, let us see a couple of ways in which you can do keyword research and find keywords that will suit your content and maximize your potential of getting views. Now, the first technique is to use the YouTube autocomplete feature. Now, this is the most simplest tool that you can use to do keyword research. All you have to do is log into YouTube and search for a particular topic, let's say photography. When you type in photography, these are the ideas that will pop up: photography tips, ideas for beginners, course, tricks, status, etc. etc. These are all the keywords that you can target. And I would recommend doing a YouTube autocomplete search before you even start making a video, so that you can know what topics to choose for. So if you, like in this example, have a photography channel, you just need to type in photography, and maybe you can do a course on photography for beginners. You can give photography tips, how to compose a picture, and other things like that. This is the most easiest way to do your keyword research. The second way to do keyword research is to find what other YouTubers or the popular YouTubers in your niche are using as their keywords. And this is also very simple to do. All you have to do is click on a particular video that you think matches your content. So in this case, let's go in for this video and right click anywhere on the page and go to view page source. When you go to view page source, you have to press Ctrl F or Command F depending upon your computer and type in keywords. This will take you to all the keywords that this particular video or YouTuber has used. So you can see the search is now complete. There are two sources of keywords over here. So you're going to click on this arrow and it will take you to this particular highlighted keyword, right? Now here are all the keywords that this particular YouTuber has used. You can move the arrow, you can move it around to see composition, rule of thirds, cinematography, filmmaking, learn filmmaking, Parker Welbeck, full-time filmmaker, etc. etc. So you can find all the keywords right here. So you can check out the keywords that the popular YouTubers in your niche are using and use them in your video as well. But this entire process can be a little cumbersome at times. You have to type in a lot of search results, you have to go through a lot of search results, you have to go through a lot of videos to find what keywords to use. And some of these videos are old videos, so you're not even sure if these keywords are trending right now or if these keywords will be of any use right now. Now here a lot of people will recommend going in for keyword research tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, which offer keyword research tools at a price. But what I am telling you is, do not use TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or any paid research tool, because these keyword research tools are also getting the data from somewhere. Take a guess, where are they getting the data from? Of course, Google, because these search results come from Google, from YouTube, which is also a part of Google. What if I tell you that Google is providing you with all this data for free? You just have to know where to look for. But before we get into that, if you're enjoying this video, I would request you to hit the like button so that the video reaches more and more people, and it will also help my channel grow. And now we're going to go in for keyword research that is the best possible keyword research that you can ever do for free is here. So all you have to do is log into a Google Ads account. Now you don't necessarily need to run a Google Ads campaign, or you don't necessarily need to add in the money to access this feature, but this feature is there in the Google Ads account. So you will need a Google Ads account to access this feature. So once you log into your Google Ads account, you are going to go into tools and setting and click on keyword planner under the planning tab. And here you are going to click on discover new keywords. Now here you have the option of typing in a couple of keywords that you feel are relevant to your content. Like, let us just go in for photography, camera, beginner, etc. And we are going to go in for get results. Now here, because I am in India, I have kept the location as India. You can change this location according to the geographic location you want to target. If you know that your audience is from a particular location, you can see it in your YouTube studio, you can target those locations. And you can also go in for worldwide. So get results. Now here you will also get these options to broaden your search or add a little more keywords like professional photographer, portrait photographer. These are the keyword suggestions that you're getting. Now it also gives you average monthly searches, that is how many times this keyword is searched, competition, it's the competition low or high, and you can decide if you want to target that particular keyword or not. These are the prices, and you don't need these prices. These are there only if you run a Google Ads campaign, so you get an idea how much you are going to spend on a particular keyword. These are the keyword ideas. So Polaroid camera, it has got around 49,000 searches. The competition is high. Instax, DSLR camera, Canon M50. These are the keyword ideas that are being given to you, and you can use them accordingly. This is one way of doing this keyword research. The next thing you can do is you are going to go into discover new keywords and start with a website. So if you have a particular video in mind that you know matches your content, or if you have already uploaded your video and put it as an unlisted video, or you want to do the keyword research for an already uploaded video, all you have to do is you have to paste the URL of that video over here, then click on use this page only and get results. And here you will get the keyword ideas. So we are getting the keyword ideas of DSLR photography, camera photo, photo camera, photography camera, DSLR photos, and again you have average monthly searches and competition. That is all you need to do your keyword research. There can be no database wider than Google, and Google is providing you with all of this data for free. So make use of it. And this tool is as good as it can get to do your keyword research. So that is all for keyword research. I will see you next time with another video. Till then, if you enjoy this video, click on the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another video from me.